They say a man's greatest mistake is buying someone else's nightmare. So we decided to try it out. When we found this Land Rover Defender TD5, it wasn't just used up, it was a disaster. It was rusted, broken, and forgotten. Our original plan was simple. Get it running, make it drivable. But as soon as we touched the first bolt, we knew. This wasn't going to be a repair. This was going to be a rebirth. We stripped it to the bone. Every panel, every wire. The chassis was a map of rust and neglect. We cut out the decay, welded in fresh metal, and reinforced the structure. To make sure the rot never came back, we encased the entire frame and every underhood metal component in HD Raptor paint. A bulletproof shield for a new beginning. Next, we built the muscle. We replaced every oil seal and every bearing. We performed a total engine and gearbox restoration, paired with a brand new transfer box. For the suspension, we went heavy-duty, a 2-inch lift with HD struts and springs, supported by a full kit of polyurethane bushes. We didn't stop at the power. We focused on the control. EBC heavy-duty discs, EBC pads, and new brake lines for stopping power that matches the weight. But this is a Defender. It has to dominate. We installed Ashcroft Limited slip differentials in both the front and rear. We added heavy-duty steering racks, a restored steering box, and full under-chassis protection to shrug off rocks and terrain. From there, we began reassembling the rebuilt chassis and reconstructed cabin, bringing everything back together piece by piece, like a mechanical set of building blocks turning back into a car. After that came the painting stage. Next stop, the paint booth. Since this is a rugged vehicle built for rugged terrain, we chose the same heavy-duty Raptor paint for the exterior. Tough, durable, and made to take abuse. Then, we moved to the cabin. New doors, new hinges, and fresh seals to keep the world out. We added an air uplift snorkel, full LED lighting, and custom dark-tinted glass. Inside, it was becoming a sanctuary. An Alcantara roof, leather seating, and a modern infotainment system. The rear seats are fully trimmed in leather, offering the same comfort and quality as the front. Durable, supportive, and made for long drives, this is a Defender that treats every passenger right. Once the build was complete, it was time to take it out where it belongs. We headed toward Vitosha Mountain to see how it feels on real roads, how it handles the climb, and how it stands in motion. A proper test drive, a proper photo session, and the first real proof of what this build can do. Up to this point, the results speak for themselves. Everything came together better than expected. The drive, the feel, the presence. It's clear now that this build isn't just good. It's shaping up to be something special. Built to be driven. Built to be enjoyed. But then, we hit a rock. Not on the trail, but in life. The project stalled. Work stopped. For a moment, the dream sat silent again. We didn't quit. We moved the operation to a new space and found our second wind. We designed a custom roof rack specifically for the 110 cabin. We bolted on heavy-duty front and rear bumpers, a 12,000-pound winch, and a signature metal A-bar protector. We even engineered a custom spare wheel holder for the new original alloys. We took it for a test run along the Maritsa River. The mud and the silt were no match for the new all-terrain tires and the Ashcroft lockers. It handled dirt roads like they were the German Autobahn. Inside the cabin, everything stayed calm and steady. Bumps, rocks, holes, and hills felt like they barely existed. The suspension was absolutely dialed in, and the engine never needed more than 10% of its power to keep moving forward. We were more than happy with the results so far. The car handled beautifully, and the body looked exactly right. Rugged, purposeful, and ready for a fight. Built to take on dirt roads, dense forests, and everything in between, it kept the original raw Defender look, now reinforced with modern upgrades and new toys. But sitting in the cabin, we realized it wasn't perfect yet. So, we tore the interior out one last time. We redid the door cards and the dashboard in a stunning basketball brown leather. We perfected the AC and laid down heavy-duty rubber mats. A final wash, a final check. What began as a garage-bound nightmare, rust, bolts, and long nights, has become a carefully engineered machine. Every system refined, every detail earned. No shortcuts, no compromises, just a Defender reborn, built to work, to travel, and to last. A masterpiece, built with purpose, built right.